Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you would like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with entering a house without a warrant. Let's see here. My son had violated his probation. One night, he was being pursued by the police. He had consumed liquor and took shelter in our house. The police came in without a warrant and arrested him. Well, yeah, I could see two reasons why they would be able to go in without a warrant. Number one, this is right here that he was on probation. Now, not in all cases, but in most cases when somebody is on probation here in the state of California, one of the terms that judges will often impose on a probationer is something called the four-way search clause, where the police, the probation department, basically law enforcement, has the right to search you, your house, your vehicle, and your effects without a court order during your probation period. So that alone would be a reason for them to come in. They don't need a warrant to come get you. Not only that, but if you were being pursued by the police, you committed a crime essentially in front of the police, because, you know, if you're evading the police, that's a violation of Vehicle Code Section 2800.1. That could be charged as a felony that carries up to 3 years state prison. You commit a felony in front of the police, oh yeah, they don't need a warrant to get you. You committed a crime in front of them. Apart from that, there's also an exception to the warrant requirement, which is exigent circumstances. Exigent circumstances. I mean, if there are exigent circumstances, if the police are in the process of trying to find you or they're in hot pursuit, they're not gonna. You can't expect them to like stop and call a judge and say, "Hey, Your Honor, I'm gonna fax you a copy of this warrant. Here's my probable cause statement. Can you please sign this thing so I can go inside?" Like, no. When there's exigent circumstances, they do not need a warrant. Remember, there's about 24 exceptions to the warrant requirement. Just because the police don't have a warrant doesn't mean that they can't necessarily come in. Regardless of, and one more thing, even if they don't have the right to come in, don't ever physically try to stop the police from coming in. Because if they're wrong, you can still fight it. But even if they're wrong, if you try to use force against the police, you're going to get charged with a 148, parentheses A, parentheses 1, which is obstruction of justice. So even if they're wrong, if you get physical with the police, you're going to get it. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing somebody who fled after posting bail. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers. DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys. DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.